Driver education programs and examinations are designed to develop safe and capable drivers who know and understand the rules of the road.
National Highway Transportation Safety Administration. Our driver education course aims to transfer knowledge, develop skills, and enhance the driver's disposition, thereby reducing crashes, injuries, and fatalities.
Motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death among teenagers, with the highest risk within the first 12 to 24 months of beginning to drive. There is no simple solution to reducing the crash statistics of teen drivers. Studies show crashes are often not caused by a lack of knowledge of traffic laws or vehicle handling skills. The problem appears to be more a function of the developmental characteristics of youth, taking unnecessary risks, lack of respect for mortality, and the influence of peer pressure.
A driver who does not possess the following knowledge must be considered a hazard. State highway laws, local rules and regulations, maintenance procedures, incident and emergency procedures, defensive driving, basic first aid.
Are you knowledgeable in each of the areas discussed above?